viewers, I'm Mickey Waters. Just stopped in at Hoffman's Mill campsite. Thought I'd come check the place out. Just having a bite to eat now, bit of lunch, and quite surprised with the campsite. So about an hour and a half from Perth, head down the Southwest Highway, through Pinjarra, through Waroona, and then pretty much not far after Waroona, chuck a left, and you head towards Lowbrook Dam, and the dam's back down the road about 10 k's. So we're right in the bush. Now with this campsite, it's only open from in the summer months due to the fact that it's a water catchment area during the winter. So you can't get in here during the winter. But I was really surprised at how big the camp is. I'll have to find out officially how many sites are here, but I would have said about 50 sites, because as you drive in, you can go to the left, and there's quite a few sites on the left-hand side of the camp. And then where I am now in the camp kitchen is on the right-hand side of the camp. And at the moment, there's nobody here, but this is during the week, and it's very quiet. But the long weekend's just finished, so I assume there was a lot of people here because there's a lot of rubbish around, which is still waiting to be collected, and everybody's gone. So great for a look around, and great spot to enjoy a couple of quiet nights. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour around with the video, and see what you think might be worth checking out. Enjoy. Plenty of water around here too, viewers. Thanks for watching, viewers. You know how YouTube works. If you hit the like button, that'd be great. If you would like to subscribe, do that as well. And you can always chuck some comments down below and let me know what you think and give us some advice or any improvements. Thank you again. Enjoy.